What's up everyone, thanks for joining us again. We finally installed a quick disconnect on our Willys. Although we did not mind manually disconnecting each time, we thought this would save us so much time on the road. And yes, it really does. So here's a quick video of what it looks like and how to use it. Unboxing is always the exciting part. I'm not so familiar with other Jeep vehicles, but for Jeep JL, you don't need to drill a new hole because there's one already on the spring bucket. Here he's attaching the stud on the bracket. We are not gonna show step by step on how to install because for that, there's just way better videos out there on YouTube. I'm just being honest here. So this is what it looks like once the bracket's installed. And here we have the new sway bar linked installed, and we just need to torque it. And here's how to disconnect the sway bar with a quick disconnect. We haven't used it that much yet since we haven't gone off-roading for a while, but I'm sure it will get even easier and faster with time. But yeah, it's simple as that. And this is how to put it back to connect the sway bar. And that's it. It's so much quicker for sure. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and see you on the next trail. Yes, we're going back on the trail in the next video.